I'm going to open with love, peace, and chicken grease, which is usually what I end on. And I'll tell you where I got that love, peace, and chicken grease. But anyway, today is more of a blog than a vlog or one of my greeting card things. Today, I'm coming on with a message supported by one of my greeting cards or one of my art forms. Be happy. Just be happy. It's a choice. We can all make a choice to be happy. Now, I'm going to not get too deep and introspective on this. The reason to get happy, you never know if today is the day you're going to find the perfect lipstick color, right? Today's the day you don't know if you'll find the perfect combination of accessories to put on and make you feel fabulous, right? Today, you just don't know if something as simple as seeing a blossom on a plant or finding the perfect cup of tea is going to make you happy. But being toxically positive has its advantages. If you can just say to yourself, I'm going to make a choice and be happy, you will be. Now, that doesn't mean there's not crud and crap to deal with in any given day. But my thing is start the day looking for something to be happy about. Now, mine as an accessory addict can be as surface as or lack of deep lack of depth as just finding the perfect accessories. But as an accessory addict, that makes me happy. Or today, this plant that just doesn't want to die, people. I haven't tried to kill the plant, never tried to kill a plant, but without trying, I usually succeed at that. This thing I keep cutting it and going, okay, we'll give you one more shot. And look, this morning, a little tiny baby rose. That's what it looks like to me. That made me happy. That made me happy. It made me go, hey, that little tiny plant, this little tiny thing, this little tiny cutting is putting in the effort to bloom. So I should put in the effort to bloom. Or as a bleached blonde practicing Buddhist, I always say that 3 times fast. Look what I found at Goodwill for a few dollars. This makes me happy. My dog barking in the background, that doesn't make me happy, but that's what you got to balance. So I say, make a choice to find something to be happy about and try to do it within the first 20 minutes that you wake up. It can also be, for me, making the bed. I always tell my children, I've always told them when they were younger, be kind to others, be kind to yourself, and make your bed, because you will feel very put together. They're not accessory people, they're not makeup people. So making your bed will give you that same feeling of being put together. So my suggestion today is the same suggestion I have for many of the characters in my Funny Women greeting cards. Link below. Just be happy. Do what you can to be happy. And little by little, that feeling of happiness will kind of keep growing inside you, or allowing you to appreciate the bright side of things, always looking at the bright side, the upside of things. And to be toxically positive. That doesn't mean I'm not realistic. I'm a pragmatic optimist. But I just say, take a moment to find something to be happy about as early in the day as you can. And through the day, see if little things will make you happy. In the meantime, you know what makes me happy? If any of you would like to subscribe to my channel or take a look at my Women Humor greeting cards, link below, because I've sold 11,000 to date, about 11,000 individual cards, and that makes me happy. It makes me happy to write funny cards. So do, or look around the house, or look around your environment, find something, no matter how deep or not deep it is, to make you happy. And again, for me, perfect lipstick color goes a long way. And for me, that's red. Like, is there any other color out there? Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because I am going to come back with a video showing you how to make a teeny tiny book. I call that a teeny tiny book, and that makes me happy. All right, that'll be coming up really soon. Love, peace, and chicken grease.